everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AJ Smith here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the steps I do to achieve a glowing, flawless, luminous, healthy skin. Spring is finally here, you guys. Our skin has been dealing with all that dryness from the winter months, and it's finally time to get rid of all that dead skin cells and all that buildup and all that ashiness. So if you want to see all the steps that I do to ensure that my skin is glowing and healthy and radiant, then keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you head out, and of course don't forget to hit that notification bell button at the corner so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, so before we start, I'm gonna put my hair back because we're going to be washing our face. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I cleanse my skin. It is very important that you wash your face morning and night. Even if you're someone who doesn't wear makeup at all, you still need to wash your face at the end of the day, because when we go out every day, our skin comes in contact with all kinds of stuff, the elements, the sun, the wind, the snow, the cold, everything. So we got to make sure we're washing all that dirt, all that grime, and all that stuff at the end of the day before we go to sleep, because we do not want that to sit on our skin and sink into our pores and clog them. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be sharing with you, and I absolutely swear by, is this cleanser by Mary Kay. It is my Timewise Repair Foaming Cleanser, and I'm going to show you guys why I absolutely love this product. If you are in the market for a cleanser, I highly recommend this one. It does not dry me out. It doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped of moisture. Why I love it too is because a little bit goes a long way, because it foams up, it lathers up, which is awesome. Another essential product you have to have, like no joke, okay, is a cleansing brush. The brush I'm using today is my Mary Kay cleansing brush. It's a Skin Vigor cleansing brush. This brush is awesome because it has two speeds. You can go very fast, you can go slow, but I like the fast speed. So there you can see my cleanser is already lathering up, and I'm just taking the brush, letting it do its thing. Another thing you can do is just kind of set the brush on any areas, especially our T-zone where we have the large pores, and just kind of leave it there for a few seconds. Okay, I like to do that just to get it to really do a deep clean. So another tip I'm going to show you guys, never to neglect your neck area. So always make sure you also cleanse your neck as you do your face, because as we get older, trust, the areas that start to snitch on us in our body is our eyes, our neck area, our hands. Can you guys already see a difference in my skin? Do you see how clean it looks? So it's very important to use a cleanser with a cleansing brush to give your skin that deep clean. Very important. Listen, if you're still using your hands to wash your face at the sink, you're missing out, girl. That's all I'm gonna say. The next product I want to share with you guys is a new product from Mary Kay. It's a Timewise Repair Lifting Bio-Cellulose Mask. You guys, when I tell you that this product is a game changer, honey, it's a game changer. So this product comes with 4 masks in the box. And if you don't know about sheet masks, or you haven't heard about sheet masks, yeah girl, I'm here to school you, okay? I'm here to educate. Sheet masks are very popular now. A lot of people are incorporating them into their skincare routine, and for good reason, because you see that instant change, the instant benefits almost of your skin when you use them. It's a pure plant-based product, and its materials are derived from coconut water. Isn't that awesome? I think that's great. We're gonna test this out today. It is said to give you younger looking skin and more lifted and firm skin, and of course it's said to give you also 24 hours hydration. So we're going to give that a test today, and this is what the mask is. So once you get your mask, you open it up and let us pull it out. Ooh, okay, so we got to open it up just like this, and it's really dripping with product. So with sheet masks, typically you see you have areas for like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So we are going to wear that, but before we do that, we have to first of all take off a layer, because the mask is actually in the middle. I'm so excited. You guys ready? Oh, that feels so good. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, and we're gonna let it do its thing. So you can choose to put the flap over your eyes and just take a nice nap, or you can just leave it there. I look scary right now. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take whatever is left on this product here. I'm not gonna waste that. I'm just gonna rub the serum on my neck. Because remember, we want to ensure that our neck is looking as young as our face, right? So I'll be back after 30 minutes to see what the results are. We are done. It's 30 minutes. Let's take the mask off now. And you can see it's a little still moist. I'm just gonna use my hand and rub the serum in. You know that crazy thing I like to do? Most times if you open the bag, you see there's some serum in there. And I don't like that to go to waste, okay? You see? So look at all that serum in there. So I'm just gonna apply that because I don't want that to go to waste. Hold on guys. Look at that bounce. Look. Did you see that bounce? Beautiful. So there are times I've noticed that my pores get large, and that's really, really annoying. Like, nobody wants to stare at someone's face and see them large pores, right? Nobody likes that. It ain't cute. And the product I've been using for that is a Timewise Pore Minimizer. It has definitely helped a lot to minimize my pores. All I use is just a little pea. Oh, don't know if you can see that. All I use is a little pea size amount, and I just take that and I put that on my T-zone because that's where the pores are, you know, usually enlarged. And we don't want that. And this helped to minimize the appearance of large pores. So after we're done with that, we're gonna go into this product. This product is thebomb.com. Listen, you cannot sleep on this product. And what is that? It is vitamin C. Vitamin C is amazing. It's a very powerful product. It's a very powerful antioxidant that can reverse the signs of aging. It does not play because vitamin C fights all the free radicals out there that our skin comes in contact with that damage our skin, and that makes our skin start to age and have all that premature aging and tiredness and sagging and all that crap. And I don't play with that, okay? So I'm going to use my Timewise Replenishing Serum Plus C, and it is packed with great antioxidant properties like you cannot believe. After giving our skin all that deliciousness, all that coconut water, all that vitamin C, those beautiful things we just did on our skin, we need to protect it. Another product you have to have, you just have to have this product, okay? Whether you like it or not, you need that product, and it is a sunscreen. I know a lot of people shy away from sunscreen because, you know, some of them, depending on what products you buy, can leave you looking gray and leave you looking ashy and whatnot. But I am here to save the day because this product right here does none of that. And that is my Timewise Day Solution, and this product has SPF 35. Now, why do you need this product? You need this product because this is gonna be the final protection that you need on your skin. I'm just going to take a little bit like this, and I'm going to show you how this product works, okay? So when we put it on, I'm just going to do all of this all over the face, right? And you rub it in, okay? And I'm going to show you why Mary Kay's Day Solution with SPF is thebomb.com. And voila, it's gone. My skin doesn't have any gray cast. It doesn't look ashy. You know, I can walk out right now and someone looks at me, they're not going to tell that I'm putting on sunscreen, which is awesome. Things you definitely need on the daily is a good cleanser, a good cleansing brush, okay? You need some kind of syrup. So vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic, whatever floats your boat, you know, whatever you choose. You need a good serum in there. You need a good day solution, which is, you know, a day cream that has an SPF in it. You cannot play with the SPF, okay? Get yourself a good SPF. If you're in the market looking for a new one, then I would definitely highly recommend the Day Solution by Mary Kay. After your day solution, or should I say your day cream, you need a good moisturizer. Depending on what kind of product you're using, your day solution or your day cream probably has moisturizer in it. But if it's like the Mary Kay one that I use, we also have a separate moisturizer, which is our age fighting moisturizer, which is an anti-aging moisturizer. So this is my moisturizer right here. That's the last step I'm going to do on my skin to ensure that, you know, our skin is nice and moisturized, glowy, and just in good condition. Look, I look good though. Look! Hey girl, I see you. I look good. My skin's glowing, people, like I can't even front. Now the last step you need is an eye cream. This is my Voluform Eye Renewal Cream. I do not play with this baby. You can see she has been sucked dry. I always have a backup, I don't play. It has a nice aloe tip right here, which is great to depuff the eyes. You know, while you're applying the cream, you can just use it on there and just do a slight gentle massage, and that will depuff the bags under the eye and cool it down, okay? Get everything nice and snatched again. I don't know if you could see that, but just that little bit right there is all I'm gonna just put right here, 1 drop. And I like to put it also on top of my eyelids because those parts do get wrinkles too. It's always best to use your ring finger because that applies the least amount of pressure. All right, let's let the hair down, okay? Let it out. So we are done, and I don't have a little gloss. My lips are a little dry, I need a little gloss. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you learned something new today. You know, that is always the goal, to share stuff with you guys that, you know, somebody can benefit from. So, you know, there are people out there who don't know what to do with their skin. So I hope you're able to learn why it's important to have a healthy, you know, good skincare routine to help give you glowing, beautiful skin. If you have any questions about any of these products I used today, definitely leave a comment down below, and I will leave links to all this product I use in my description box so you can check them out for yourself. And before I head out, I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. We're doing our countdown to 300, and if you don't know, we're doing a giveaway once we hit 300 subscribers, and I'm going to be leaving a link right here to let you know how to enter the giveaway. So I'm taking requests, you guys. Don't forget, I'm taking requests as to what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. So definitely comment down, let me know at the bottom if you have any questions, tips, or suggestions. I am all ears. I'm up to hear them. So from me to you, bye. See you on the next one.